Today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today we're back inside of our Moccasin module, our read-only module. Now, as soon as we get it pulled up, we're going to pick up some light reading, picking up from where we left off yesterday. I think the last thing we talked about yesterday was unsaved passwords, the file we created. So today we're going to see what happens when we actually CD into that file and what comes next. So as soon as it pulls up, we're going to start with some light reading and move on with today's session so we can move forward with that. So once we are inside the unsafe passwords folder, we can create a new text file to store our password in. We would say echo your password anvil1. Obviously, your password will be our password. Notice we use the bash command echo to create a new text file called anvil1, and we added our password to the file. The echo command is used to display a line of text in the terminal. Note we can replace your password with the actual password used to encrypt the private key, like I just said. Also note the single quotes are important to include when using the echo command. So these are the single quotes here you see wrapped around your password as opposed to the double quotes that you see at the beginning of the word echo. Now, if we run the command ls again, we should see the anvil1 file listed in the terminal inside the unsafe passwords folder. Now we can do something like this. We would say cat anvil1. This command will display the contents of the anvil1 file in the terminal. We should see our password displayed in the terminal. Again, this is okay for now since we are just testing things out, but we want to make sure that we do not use this method in real projects for security reasons. Obviously, we don't want our private key password displayed in our terminal